So now it's time to see how to install Metasploitable 2 machine inside the VirtualBox. So what you need to do is you need to navigate to machine, and when you click on this you will find new. So when you click on new you will see this kind of window. So this is asking for the name which you are going to name for our Metasploitable machine. So I'm going to name it World, and type is Linux, and this is the place which is the machines folder. And inside version, what I'm going to choose it is Ubuntu 64, and just click on next. And after clicking on next, it is asking for the RAM, how much RAM you're gonna allot to this particular machine. So I'm having 12 GB of RAM, so I'm going to allot it around 512, which is 512 MB of RAM, because it will be going to work very fine in this RAM. So just click on next, and after clicking on next you will find this menu. So you need to change to use an existing hard drive disk, and just select the Metasploitable machine folder where you have downloaded. So what you need to do is you need to simply navigate to the folder where you have downloaded your Metasploitable machine. So I'm going to navigate to that particular folder so that I can get inside it. Okay, operating system, and this is the folder where I have downloaded Metasploit. So when you click on this particular Metasploit file and open, it will just select the file and click on choose. After choosing, click on create. So after creating, as you can see that we have this particular file which is world. So when you click on start, it will start loading your Metasploitable machine. So you have to wait till the completion of this. You don't need to do anything, just sit back and just watch what is going in the screen. Now as you can see that whole process of installing is being done. So this is asking for the username and the password. So the username will be msfadmin, and the password will also same msfadmin, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that we are inside the Metasploitable 2 machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run one command which is if config, which will tell us the IP address of this particular machine. So after hitting enter, as you can see that we have the IP address which is H0 in the second line 10.0.2.15. So this is how we can install Metasploitable machine. So this is the machine where we are going to perform lots of attack. So this is all for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to install OWASP BWA. Thank you for watching this lecture.